Pakistan Flood Response Plan, simultaneously in Islamabad and in Geneva. This plan has been launched in the backdrop of devastating monsoon rains, floods, landslides, that has impacted more than 33 million people in different parts of Pakistan. 72 districts across the country have been declared calamity hit. Over 1,100 people have lost their lives, including 350 children. More than 1,600 people have been injured. More than 1 million houses have been damaged. Over 700,000 livestock have perished. 2 million acres of crops have been impacted, been severely damaged, and there's been severe damage to our communication infrastructure. The government of Pakistan is rigorously carrying out rescue and relief operations nationwide, and we've also provided 35 billion rupees as earmarked for the Benazir Income Support Program to reach the affected families. The Benazir Income Support Program is targeting 4.6 million of the most vulnerable households in the affected areas across Pakistan, and recipients will be receiving 25,000 rupees in immediate cash relief. The government is also providing 1 million rupees in compensation to the next of kin to people who've lost their lives, 250,000 for the injured, and 250,000 for partially damaged houses, 500,000 rupees for totally destroyed houses. Under the flood relief plan, as an initial estimate, an appeal has been launched for $160 million to support life-saving response activities covering food security, assistance for agriculture, livestock, shelter and non-food items, nutrition programs, primary health services, protection, water and sanitation, women's health and education support, as well as shelter for displaced people. The FRP highlights the main humanitarian needs, the efforts and steps taken by the government of Pakistan to handle these challenges,